block here, put it here and knee, and this leg will be 90 degree. Then how to slowly rest the chest down and take the hip 90 degree here.
Wow.
Okay. Then hand straight. If possible, try to bend here. Okay. Then just elbow closer to each other. Then try to catch your ankle, interlock your finger straight. Straight here. Okay, so see here, just first meow, then put one knee on the block, then just take it here, rest your chest down, hip up as possible, then just bend it here. Hand straight, then catch it here. Okay. Try it. You start.
Cứ thử làm đi xem như thế nào nữa.
Then hip take it higher. Now chest down. Now again if possible try to lift up your hip up. Okay. Now hang the leg down, both hands straight. Both hands straight. Okay. Then join your palm and get it in. Now if possible interlock your finger and straighten your hands up. Straight. Very good. Do that, stay there. Okay, now. Yes, hold it. Now find the balance. Both and go down. Find the balance. Little far, come to little far here, and you have to put one knee on the block here, and rest toes here. Then with maintain balance, push the hip down, unmumsuam, okay, and be careful if not slip. Unmumsuam, push down, then just try to catch. Take it here, then push it here, push it against the ankle, and try to straight and maintain balance. Hand straight. Okay, maintain balance and see where I'm keeping my knee. It's in between the block, not to the side. If possible, leg straight. I will help you to support the leg straight. And try. Everybody, yep. Yeah. Here, balance. Now, slowly just push the hip down. Okay, now if possible, leg straight. Right leg straight. But see, her knee is in between, right? Take the knee a little more back, then you will be more stable. I mean, knee just a little more back. First, take the 3 or 4 block. Okay, yeah. Then touch your heel to the wall and the feet will be down straight. Then first you can same like warrior, bend the leg. Then one hand first support and rotate. Hold here, then just try to rotate here. Okay. Then after that, if possible, hip up. See, from here, leg straight. Then again, slowly, hands down, and then slowly, feet also down. Here, go down, then straight. Okay, then leg also try to straight. If possible, you can take it more, find the balance, and both legs straight. Okay, then sorry, I'll just forward bend. Okay, so try video. Again, more slow. straight, more straight. Tension. Both elbow 90 degree straight to the shoulder. Then one palm down. With another hand, get your ankle, knee up. Take it up here. Then after that, if possible, catch it here. Okay, then see here. Just take it here. Forward. Take it here. Okay, straight here. This is one. Then again, slowly go down without leaving here. Then another. You have to fix your feet to the armpit and catch the knee. Then straight. Okay, after that, straight here, go to the side and same like a Dhanurasana. Take it up and straight here.
Lúc này không cần đấy, không cần thảm cho đẹp nhá.
Try with. So you can come this side. Catch. Keep holding. Still. Now to the armpit. Your leg hand straight up. Now slowly get it here. New one side. Now here.
Đi chân lên.
Tongue tight. Hand straight. Slowly. Take it out. Stay there. Put the elbow down.